Ocean Avenue is unique. When you join Ocean Avenue, you join a culture of fun, fitness, and freedom. Our goal is to help you vacation with family and friends as often as possible. That's why we created the Ocean Avenue Vacation Club. Welcome to Ocean Avenue.
To us, creating those memories, that is the most important thing. And the best way to do that is spending time together. And that is the reason we have the Vacation Club.
What we've done at Ocean Avenue is we've actually included the vacation plan into the compensation plan. This allows people to not only dream about going on vacations, but gives them an achievable goal that they can attain. The Ocean Avenue Vacation Club is very unique also because with it, you're going to be able to go ahead and plan vacations with your friends and family. When people see our logo and our brand, they say, wow, I want to be a part of that. I realized that Chris down the street went on a vacation and I think he was with your company. We want to know what you did. We want to know how they did it because we also want to become involved.
Find your ocean.